Today I'm going to be talking to you about a problem that we've seen solved in the field. Our technical team was able to go into a heavy-duty equipment manufacturer, and we were able to work with them and audit their current process, identify areas that we can improve upon. They were having issues with having to do weekly or every other week dumps of their paint stripping bath, and that combined with the chemical costs was not advantageous to them. So we were able to identify aspects of their existing process where they were able to cut back on some of their chemical use and lower their costs while also getting nearly double the bath life. And that was able to save them time from having to do like regular dumps, which eliminated some of their downtime and was a beneficial process to them overall. To solve their problem, we were able to utilize AquaStrip 1200 and AquaStrip BCA10, which are two products we normally wouldn't use together, but when combined, they were able to double the performance of their paint stripping solution and save them costs in the long run. By using the two products together, we were able to reduce their chemical costs by 15 to 20% and also extend the existing bath life of the solution from a week to 2 weeks up to 3 or 4 weeks, saving them both time and money and allowing them to process more parts more expediently.